Hey, welcome to Archmaster. This is an AI application dedicated to the design field. If you are a designer, you cannot afford to miss it. Please visit the Archmaster official website to start using it. We have already started creating video tutorials for Archmaster and will continue to update them on YouTube. Friends interested in Archmaster are strongly encouraged to subscribe to our channel. Just a set of furniture elements, and you can generate surrounding scene backdrops and freely switch multiple styles. Just one bed and a warm bedroom bedding rendering immediately appears. And all this neither needs modeling and rendering, nor scene setup and shooting. Just a mouse click can achieve it. This is the brand new AI tool launched by Archmaster Furniture Studio Photography. With it, whether any single item or furniture combination, just upload the image, select the generate scene, and one-click generation is possible. Starting this video, I will explain from 3 different application scenarios how to use furniture studio photography. Okay, let's begin. Application Scenario 1. Indoor furniture. First, on the Archmaster homepage, find the AI Tools interface, then locate Furniture, Studio Photography, and click to enter. Next, adjust category according to your needs. Here, we choose Furniture, then upload an image. Below, set it to the aspect ratio you need. Different aspect ratios generate different compositions and proportions. Choose as per your needs. Here we select 4:3. Then in the right Scene Style menu, choose the style you like. Here we choose Modern Style. Click Generation. Moments later, a studio shot image with furniture elements is generated. You can see the furniture integrates well into the scene. If we want to change a scene, we can switch a scene style. For example, we change to Morandi style. The generated scene will be another style. Besides, we can also control the picture through stickers. For example, upload a chair. Without pasting, the generated picture will be rather empty, only the chair. To change this situation, we can use furniture stickers to add sofa, coffee table, and other elements to the picture. So the generated picture becomes richer. Application Scenario 2. Product Studio Shoot. We upload a cosmetic item, switch category to product, then in the scene style menu, choose the style you like. We choose elegant interior, click generation. Thus, a studio product image is generated. Product and background blend seamlessly. Try switching a few scenes. The effects are equally perfect. We change the base image to 2 picture frames. This time in the scene style bar, we select living at home. The generated image is full of high-end feel. Application Scenario 3. Custom Scene. Different from the first 2 scenario cases, it will not be limited to furniture or products, nor will there be basic style scene choices. Completely controlled by the descriptive words you input. For example, here, upload a cat figurine. Then input on the coffee table in the living room. Click Generation. So the generated scene and style are fully controlled by us. Change again to placing on the living room windowsill. Isn't it also very nice? You can also try some other descriptive words. However, generating only through descriptive words, the AI's randomness is large, perhaps requiring you to try multiple times to finally get your desired image. Finally, I will show some other cases for everyone to reference and try. That's all for this episode. Now, have you learned how to use furniture, studio photography? Any issues you encounter in use can be left in the comments, and I will reply one by one. Brothers interested in Archmaster, remember to subscribe to our channel. I will place the Archmaster website link in the comments for everyone's use. See you next time.